Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneur moms with a digital presence. If you're engaging in content marketing on Instagram without any results and you feel it's because Instagram's just somehow magically saturated, hopefully by the time you've finished watching this video, you'll understand why your Instagram hashtag strategy stinks. Because honestly, if the problem is not with your Instagram content itself, and it's not any problem in relation to the caption that's attached to your Instagram content, anything like that, then let me tell you, it's likely you having a problem with your entrepreneur mom hashtag strategy on Instagram. And I'll have a game plan to help you turn things around naturally. Stay tuned. Plus, make sure you stay until the end. Do I have an unfair advantage for you? So be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get real world help that entrepreneur moms like you need to succeed when you're doing business online today. Now, if you missed a video called How to Stand Out on Instagram, you should see that one because it's all about what tweaks you can make in connection with your Instagram business profile, especially in terms of getting the conversions that your business needs to succeed. Be sure to go back and check that video out. But in the meantime, in this video, I want to discuss why your Instagram hashtag strategy stinks. It's tough love, this particular video, but I promise you what I say here is said with love, mama. Problem 1, you're not using any. I don't care what some bigger Instagrammers do, whether they're influencers, big business Instagram accounts, anything like that. Just because some Instagram content creators and or marketers can publish content on Instagram no matter what the type and not use hashtags doesn't mean you can get away with it. These other Instagrammers might have big followings that they can harness and leverage to get attention on the Instagram platform. So they don't have to try hard. Good for them. But that's not you, is it? I promise you, you have to optimize your Instagram content, especially feed posts, Instagram videos, IGTV videos, and Reels content so that they can be found in organic search by the other Instagram users. You won't be found otherwise. You ever hear the old question, when a tree falls in the woods and no one's around, does it make a sound? Well, even if the tree falls and makes a sound, there's no one around to hear it. If you're new or relatively new to business as an entrepreneur mom, and or your business is new, and or you're new to content marketing on Instagram, well, there's no one around to hear the tree falling down in terms of you publishing content. They're not searching for you or your business either. You're too new. Which means you must use hashtags or you could be publishing the best content in the world, but you'll not likely be found ever. Oh, and by the way, in Instagram stories, you should definitely use hashtags, at least 3, if not all 10 hashtags that you can use. You should use them. However, I'd note that people can hide the hashtags a variety of ways in their Instagram story content. So when it comes to Instagram story content, just because you don't see hashtags when viewing other people's stories doesn't mean that they're not there. They could have been hidden for aesthetic purposes alone. And this could be just one reason why your Instagram hashtag strategy stinks. Moving on. Problem 2, you're not using enough. For Instagram feed posts, IGTV videos, and now Reels content, you get up to 30 hashtags to affix to your posts. And especially if you're new or relatively new to Instagram, and or you're a small fry on the platform, you should use every last hashtag you're allowed to use at least increase the odds that you can be found in search on that platform. If you're going to go through all the trouble of creating content for the platform, you should at least allow it as many opportunities to be found as possible, right? Each hashtag to me represents an entrance point from where it comes up as part of a search result on either a hashtag or a term on Instagram itself to your business itself. If someone finds your content when searching on a hashtag, let's say and they like your post, they may very well visit your Instagram business profile, and voila, they might find a ton more related content that they can binge on. The more they binge, the more likely it is that they will buy from you. Don't give them enough opportunities to find you, and you increase the odds of your content sitting around collecting digital dust along with your business. And that's another reason why your Instagram hashtag strategy stinks. Problem 3, you use the wrong hashtags. Look, if you're not using the right kinds of hashtags so that the right type of person finds your business on Instagram, members of your niche, people with intent to buy, well, you could use up to the maximum amount of hashtags on Instagram and still be wasting your time. Just like there's a big difference in a general sense between quality and quantity, there's a big difference more specifically between the right type of hashtags for an entrepreneur mom business and the wrong type of hashtags. I did an entire video recently entitled Blow Up Your Instagram with this hashtag strategy. So when you're done with this video, I really beg you to watch that one because you're likely gonna have a huge aha moment in terms of using the right types of hashtags versus the wrong ones. If you don't nail down the intersecting interests between your niche and your business, you're gonna be spinning your gears, mama. And that alone may very well be why your Instagram hashtag strategy stinks. Problem 4, they're in the wrong order. Surprise, no matter what you're adding hashtags to, is it a piece of Instagram feed post content, an IGTV video, a reel, or a piece of Instagram story content, the first, say, 3 to 5 hashtags in that group of hashtags have like the best kind of like search juice as I understand things to be. So you have to think of which hashtags are the most important for you to rank on and put them or enter them first. And if you don't have a following yet or much of one for your business, then it is not any hashtags having to do with your business name. Surprise number 2 maybe. And what would be the hashtags that I would use if I were you? Hashtags that are connected conceptually to buyer intent. Like people who are in the mood to shop and buy would be searching on such hashtags. It's all the difference between you having a feed post picture of your lovely hummingbird earrings and putting hashtag hummingbird first when really you should be putting hashtag hummingbird earrings first. Get it? Someone may very well be binge consuming content about hummingbirds in general, and maybe they'll find your earrings and go, cool, I'll buy those. But who's even more likely to do that? Someone who's already searching for that type of product. Make sense? If you had no clue about this, I'm telling you, that's a major reason why your Instagram hashtag strategy stinks. Now, if you're like, there's so very much to Instagram that I thought I knew, but now I realize that I don't even know what I don't know. I'm glad you found me. I'm glad you found this channel. And now I'm going to point you towards a link in the show notes below to information about my Instagram deep dive course just for entrepreneurs like yourself. And it's called Socialgram Shortcut. Lack of business success isn't a matter of Instagram being saturated. It's all about knowing how to play the gram game the right way. I'm here to help you make the most of Instagram. So I've got an upcoming video that you'll find comes in handy right now, I bet, which is find your customers on Instagram. You don't think you know where they are? I can help. This video's gonna be good. You don't want to miss it. So make sure you hit that notification bell and select all so that you can follow along with this entire Instagram series that I've got to offer you. In the meantime, while you're waiting for that next video that's coming out, be sure to check out these 2 awesome videos as well. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me a lot when you do that. And of course, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.